The Near earbuds fit snugly into your ears while you sleep. Along the way, they cancel out the sounds that keep you up at night, including your partner's snoring, dogs barking around the neighborhood, and road traffic. Rather than let you hear those sounds, you'll hear soothing sounds aimed at getting you asleep and keep you asleep. The new Bose Sleep Bits have popped up in an unusual place, Indiegogo. Rather than simply sell the earbuds on its own, Bose has elected to share them with the crowdfunding site's audience to attract those who want a better night's sleep. But if this is just the first you're hearing about them and want to get your hands on an early unit, you're out of luck.